let's take a moment and see what the rain has to say. Who knew? I am the spirit of the rain. I come enjoy this time. I come as the cleansing and reviving rain. And this is my favorite type of rain to be. Hi, I'm Karen and this is Earthmothermessages. I have been pulled out of the shower this morning as it is raining, and I have a feeling that the rain wanted to talk to you. So here I am, wet hair and all. This is a beautiful rain, as I have said in earlier videos. It's been quite dry, and the relief I feel in the land when the rain comes, like we've been watering our plants, but it's not the same as rain. And I have always felt this amazing release of tension in the land when the rains finally arrive. If you don't live in a dry area, you may not understand, but perhaps it's like those first rays of spring sunshine. We have this enormous joy when the autumn rains finally arrive and the heat and the dry of summer is over and the land just breathes out in relief and joy, and the birds you will hear are having a fabulous time. There's the white cockatoos, and all the little birds just are so ecstatic with the rain coming. So it's not a wide band, so we might lose the sound of rain soon, but let's take a moment and see what the rain has to say. Who knew? I am the spirit of the rain. Yes, rain is energy, and energy has vibrations and a soul as such. It's not like every raindrop has a soul, but it is about the collective energies of rain, and there are souls within that. It is easier for people to think of it as the spirit of the rain, for it is a collective, and there are souls involved in the atmosphere, in the weather, as part of their service with Mother Earth. So the rain has energy, vibrations, and awareness. So we will call ourselves the spirit of the rain and leave these higher matters elsewhere. I come enjoy this time. I come as the cleansing and reviving rain. And this is my favorite type of rain to be. As we sweep across the lower half of the Australian continent that has been so dry for so long, I bring joy. I bring joy to the soil. I bring joy to the plants. I bring joy to the birds and animals and the people on this land, and those who are on the land and connected to the land can feel the joy as Karen feels the joy. and the release and the relax as the life-giving moisture is returned to the land, and the land can renew and rebuild, and growth can start again. Rain is not always that joyful, and in the north of the country, the rain from the cyclone has been intense, and there is flooding and there is damage. And we are sorry for that. But the cyclones are a part of the natural cycles of this world. And if mankind has built where they should not have built, if they do not take into account the natural cycles, then the sweeping away is part of the cycles. And we hope learning occurs, learning to live with, not against, the cycles of nature, of Mother Earth. We do not do this destruction with intent. We follow our natural cycles, and we do as we have done for millennia. Move with the cycles, move with the seasons, and move with how we are supposed to be. But this rain that Karen feels is our replenishing rain. This is the rain that we fall from the sky with excitement, and we know we are welcome. We know we are waited for with anticipation and joy. And we know that all the natural things are waiting with open arms for the moisture to land and cleanse and revive them. For those of you who are not part, who are not connected with Mother Earth, who run inside and get angry with the rain for spoiling your plans, I want you to connect with this joyful rain, with the feeling of joy for replenishment, for moisture, for cleansing and clearing, for dusting off the long accumulation of dust and now pollution. And know that your land is being cleansed, your air is being cleared, and your plants are being revived. Your animals are enjoying the cleanse, and they are looking forward to the life that is being brought forth from the rain. So come out of your building, come out into the fresh air, and think of rain as revitalizing, as a beautiful part of Mother Earth's cycles, and feel the joy, feel the blessing, and feel the relief that is rain, which is so vital for the cycles, for rebirth and replenishment. We bless you. We hope that you view rain in a new way, and we will come back and talk to you another time. Thank you. What a beautiful message from the rain. Living in a dry country, the beauty of rain is never lost on me. I feel tension as the dry continues, as we're waiting and waiting for rain, and then you watch the forecast, and I don't know, where I live, it feels like the rain goes round us. So you watch it on the radar come across, and then you watch the clouds split and go past and then reform, and it's like so frustrating. You know it's part of the cycles for this area, but sometimes you go, please just rain. And it has, and I wish you could smell it. The eucalyptus trees release their scent. The air is fresh and clean, and the birds are singing and so excited. You feel the joy of nature and the joy of rain and sustenance. It is a magic moment, and I'm so happy I've been able to share this with you in some ways. Namaste.